This is John Buick from PCMag. I'm here at XPG and ADATA's booth here at Computex 2024. I'm here with the Director of Product, Luca. He's going to show us a handheld that we haven't seen before, the XPG Nia.
The customer for this platform is specifically modders. First thing, when we release the platform, we're going to release the 3D files and the pinout information of all the connectors. Modders can have whatever they like to do with it. You want to change the colors, print your own. You want to change the shape to something that's more comfortable, you can do that. You want to change the battery from 55 watt hours to something larger and sacrifice the ergonomics of the weight, you can do that. You can take the controllers out, 3D print them into your own case. You now have a perfectly working USB X input controller. The board, you can 3D print a little box, you can hang it behind the TV. Now you have a family picture server hanging on your TV. We're going to take our time because this category is the future of gaming. It's experience over performance. We're going to ship first with Linux and Proton, so drawing the same direction as SteamOS. And if you really want to use this as a platform replacement for Windows, we're going to give you Windows drivers and you get your own license. It's an AMD Phoenix chip right now. We're going to sell direct on Kickstarter. At least that's what our current idea is. So we're going to give the best experience we can at the lowest price we can. Target is 500, 600, whatever we can achieve in that space. We're looking at Q1, Q2 timeframe most likely, but again, we're going to test it, we're going to take our time, make sure everything's fine, and make sure that we don't see anything major that could disrupt these capabilities.